know the same special interests and their agents in Congress will make the same old arguments and use the same scare tactics that have stopped reform before because they profit from this relentless escalation in healthcare costs. Some have even suggested that regardless of its merits, healthcare reform should be stopped as a way to inflict political damage on my administration. Because of the steps taken by our nations and all nations, we can now say that we've stopped our economic freefall. I stopped by a steel company called Allentown Metal Works and spoke at Lehigh Community College. To thank the teachers there for doing such a great job and wish them luck as they head back to the classroom for this school year. There's nothing more important to our country's future. When the party stopped and the housing bubble burst, it pushed our entire economy into a historic recession and left middle-class families holding the bag. Baltimore, that's creating good jobs here at home by exporting dredging equipment abroad. I read with young kids at a pre-K program and I stopped by NC State University, where engineers are set to develop the new technology that will make those motors even better. We pay tribute to Americans who defended the people of South Korea, soldiered through the brutal battles of Vietnam, stood up to a tyrant in Desert Storm, and stopped ethnic cleansing in the Balkans. And what happened in Paris hasn't stopped Americans from opening their arms anyway. Each time we're told that common sense reforms like background checks might not have stopped the last massacre or the one before that, so we shouldn't do anything. The average college graduate earns 80% more than those who stopped after high school. So place small stones as a sign they stopped by. But whatever God we prayed to, whatever our differences, we knew that the evil we faced had to be stopped.
Stop playing and you went home and you ate dinner with your family, and then you could come back out and play.
Some of them are finding that their costs are so high that they've actually stopped taking their medications completely.
What is true is that the economy has stopped going through the free fall that we saw at the beginning of the year.